What you see on your screen right now, it's a fairly typical cable box. Hello and welcome to our channel all about home electronics, where in this video, we're going to show you how to connect your cable box to your TV using HDMI. Now, if you're not already a subscriber to our channel, please hit the free subscription button located at the bottom right of this video. Anytime we publish new videos in the future, you'll automatically be notified. We're going to begin right after this. Start by connecting a good quality cable to this threaded input labeled cable in. Be certain to put that center conductor inside this hole. Now, we got our cable from the cable company, but if you don't have one, you can get one at a local big box retailer or online. And an RG6 cable would be way more desirable than an old RG59 because an RG6 has good electrical interference shielding capability. Just tighten it until it's snug. Now connect the other end of that same coaxial cable to a known working cable outlet. Again, make sure that you get the center conductor inside the hole. And hand tighten. Just because you have a cable outlet at the wall, it doesn't mean that there's an active cable television signal coming from that outlet. Probably the best thing to do is use an HDMI cable that's rated high speed, and it's written on the cable like this one right here. Carefully remove the plastic protective cover. Be sure to line up your HDMI cable with the port and then slide it in. And don't forget to connect your power supply that came with your cable box. Just don't plug the other end of the power supply into an electrical receptacle yet. Now we're taking a close look at the connections on the back of the TV. In this case, there are two HDMI ports. This one is labeled ARC, which is audio return channel, and then there's HDMI number 2. We're not going to connect to the ARC HDMI because that is for sound systems. We're going to connect to HDMI input number 2. Line up the other end of that HDMI wire and press it into place. Grab your TV remote and turn on your TV. Now grab your TV remote, the remote that came with your TV, and locate the input or source button and press it, because what we want to do is we connected our cable box to HDMI 2. Now, depending on your brand of TV, you should see a message like this on your screen that effectively tells you that you don't have a signal coming in to HDMI 2. And finally, plug in power to your cable box. Video should pop up on your screen. If it doesn't, you may want to contact the cable company. There's a chance that that cable wall outlet does not have an active cable TV signal coming to it. If you have any other questions about how to connect a cable box to your TV, please post them in the comments below the video. If the video helped you or you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. That wraps up this video on how to connect a cable box to a TV using HDMI. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.